In our hyper-connected 21st century, we're constantly bombarded. Emails, notifications, endless feeds. It's a relentless tide of information that often leaves us feeling overwhelmed and scattered. The urgent need for what we call deep work has never been more critical, yet achieving it feels increasingly out of reach. But what if there was a simple yet incredibly powerful method to cut through the noise, to reclaim your focus, and to transform your work habits? Enter the Pomodoro Technique. Derived from Francesco Cirillo's humble tomato-shaped kitchen timer, this isn't just another time management trick. The Pomodoro Technique, at its core, is a biologically programmed tool. It's designed to regulate your brain's chemical reactions and neural structures, turning momentary bursts of focus into a sustainable, powerful discipline. So how does this tomato clock actually work? The basic process is elegantly simple. First, you plan your task. Then you commit to 25 minutes of absolute uninterrupted focus. This is followed by a 5-minute short break. After completing 3 to 4 of these cycles, you take a longer break. The principle here is absolute focus. A Pomodoro is defined as a period of time that cannot be interrupted. This means putting aside all distractions, your phone, your email, those tempting social media tabs, for those precious 25 minutes. Initially, the beauty of Pomodoro lies in its ability to break down large, daunting tasks that often lead to overwhelm into small, manageable chunks. This simple act dramatically minimizes procrastination, making even the most intimidating projects feel achievable. Now, let's delve into the fascinating science behind those 25 minutes of focus, what we call neurodiscipline. Our prefrontal cortex, or PFC, is the brain's command center. It controls executive function, working memory, and, crucially, our ability to focus. Research consistently shows that the PFC's capacity for deep, sustained focus begins to decline after a relatively short period, typically between 20 to 30 minutes. The 25-minute Pomodoro, then, is the sweet spot, precisely timed just before our performance starts to dip. But there's more. Successfully completing a Pomodoro, those 25 minutes of dedicated work, and then marking that task as done, triggers a powerful response in your brain, the release of dopamine. Dopamine, as you may know, is a neurotransmitter associated with reward and motivation. This creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing your focused behavior and making your brain want to repeat the cycle for more of that satisfying reward. In essence, Pomodoro is actively training your brain to be more disciplined. During periods of intense focus, our brains also accumulate adenosine, a chemical that causes feelings of fatigue and sleepiness. Those 25 minutes are the optimal limit for this accumulation, preventing immediate exhaustion and allowing us to sustain our energy. And then there's the Zeigarnik Effect. This psychological phenomenon explains why, when you force yourself to stop after 25 minutes, even if the task is unfinished, your mind retains a cognitive tension. This tension creates a strong, almost irresistible motivation to return and complete the task immediately after your short break. It's a clever trick your brain plays on itself to keep you engaged. So, if 25 minutes of focus is the engine, then the 5-minute break is the vital pit stop. How do we optimize it for maximum chemical recovery? The scientific purpose of this short break is twofold. First, it's the golden time for your brain to start clearing that adenosine, effectively re-energizing your PFC. Second, it allows your brain to switch into what's called diffuse mode, activating regions like the default mode network, which are crucial for creative thinking and memory consolidation. Warning, lower volume. But be careful, not all rest is created equal. Bad passive rest, scrolling through social media, checking emails, or watching quick videos, actually stimulates your PFC. It doesn't give your brain the necessary recovery time, essentially negating the restorative effect of the break. Instead, aim for optimal active rest. These are activities that require little to no cognitive focus. Here are some optimal 5-minute activities for maximum recovery. Get up and take a short walk. This activates blood and oxygen flow to your brain. Practice the 20-20-20 rule for eye relaxation. Look 20 feet away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes. Try a brief meditation or mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes, breathe deeply. It helps calm your sympathetic nervous system. And don't forget to drink water or have a quick, healthy snack to replenish glucose, essential fuel for your brain. In summary, the Pomodoro Technique is far more than just a time management rule. It's a neurobiologically based work strategy that intelligently uses focus and rest cycles to optimize dopamine release, protect your prefrontal cortex, and manage adenosine clearance. We encourage you to apply Pomodoro not merely as a technique, but as a neurodiscipline. Use it to actively build sustained focus, one 25-minute block at a time. By combining smart time management with the insights of neuroscience, you can unlock sustainable productivity and achieve a better balance in your life. It's time to hack your brain one tomato at a time.